Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Tick Channel, where learning English is easy and fun.
Hi, Anna. Hi, everyone. It's great to see you again. Are you ready to fly into today's topic?
Oh, yes, Paul. Today we're talking about something exciting, something busy, something full of announcements and suitcases.
That's right. We're talking about the airport.
Have you ever been to an airport? Do you remember your first flight?
Airports can be fun or stressful. But don't worry. Today, we'll help you learn all the useful English words and phrases you need at the airport.
So, grab your boarding pass, check your bags, and let's go.
Let's imagine a story. Our friend Jesse is going on a trip to New York. He's flying from London Heathrow Airport.
Jesse arrives at the airport 2 hours before his flight. That's a good idea. Always arrive early.
Yes. Jesse walks into the airport and sees a big screen. It shows flight numbers, destinations, and times.
He finds his flight. Flight BA117 to New York. Departure time 10:30 a.m. Gate B22.
First, Jesse goes to the check-in counter.
The check-in agent smiles and says, "Good morning. May I see your passport and ticket?"
Jesse gives his passport and e-ticket. The agent checks everything and says, "Do you have any bags to check in?"
Jesse says, "Yes, one suitcase." The agent puts a tag on the suitcase and sends it away.
Then Jesse gets his boarding pass. It shows his seat number, 14A, window seat.
Next, Jesse goes to security. He puts his bag, phone, and laptop in a tray.
The security officer says, "Please take off your shoes and belt." Jesse does it. He walks through the scanner. Beep, beep. Oh no.
Haha. Don't worry, Paul. It was just his watch. He takes it off and tries again. This time, no beep.
After security, Jesse walks to the gate. He has 45 minutes before boarding.
He buys a coffee and a sandwich. He sits down and waits. Then he hears an announcement.
Attention passengers on flight BA117 to New York. Boarding will begin shortly at gate B22.
Attention passengers on flight BA117 to New York. Boarding will begin shortly at gate B22.
Jesse shows them, walks down the jet bridge, and finds his seat. He puts his bag in the overhead bin.
The flight attendant says, "Welcome aboard. Please fasten your seatbelt."
And just like that, Jesse is ready to fly.
That was a great story, Paul. I love airports, but sometimes they make me nervous.
Me too. There's so many things to remember: passport, ticket, luggage.
Yes. And sometimes the airport is very busy. Long lines, loud announcements.
But if you know the right English words, it's much easier.
Let's talk about some useful phrases. For example, where is the check-in counter?
Or, What time does boarding start?
And can I have a window seat, please?
Oh, I love window seats. You can see the clouds and the tiny cars below.
Ha ha ha. Yes. But aisle seats are good too. Easy to go to the bathroom.
True. And don't forget, I'd like to check in my bag.
Or, is this the right gate for flight BA 117?
These phrases help you ask questions and understand what's happening.
And always listen for announcements. They often say things like final boarding call or flight delayed,
Flight delayed. Oh no, that's not fun.
but flight on time. Yay, that's the best. Let's review some key vocabulary from today's episode.
Great idea. Repeat after us, friends. Airport, a place where planes take off and land. Flight, a trip by airplane. Check-in counter, where you show your ticket and drop off your bags. Boarding pass, a paper or digital ticket that shows your seat and gate. Security, the place where they check your bags and body. Gate, the place where you wait and board the plane. Departure, when the plane leaves. Arrival, when the plane lands. Luggage, your bags and suitcases. Overhead bin, the space above your seat for small bags. Seat belt, the belt you wear in your seat for safety. Announcement, a message you hear over the speakers.
Let's try some example sentences. I arrived at the airport at 8 a.m. My flight departs at 10:30 a.m. Can I check in my suitcase? Where is gate B22? Please fasten your seatbelt.
Excellent. You're ready to travel in English.
That's all for today's episode. At the airport. We hope you enjoyed flying with us.
If you liked this lesson, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and share with your friends.
And remember, learning English is a journey. Every word is a step forward.
So pack your vocabulary, grab your grammar, and let's keep going.
Thanks for watching English Tick Channel, where learning English is easy and fun.
See you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye, everyone. Safe travels.